from the Jackson Hole Children's Museum, bringing you Wacky Wednesday Science. So this week, with Easter around the corner, we are gonna do a really cool egg experiment with eggs. So this is one of my favorite egg experiments. There's actually a lot of them. And that's because you do it with really simple household items that you guys all might have. And it has a really cool wow factor to it using pretty simple science. So my experiment is, how can I get this egg into this bottle? Now, I obviously can slam the egg in there, but that egg's gonna break. So how can I get this egg into the bottle while keeping this egg whole? Well, this experiment's all about air pressure. And let me first show you the materials that you'll need. You'll need a wide mouth bottle that has a lip that's a little bit smaller than your egg. Some dish soap, a lighter, some newspaper, and a hard-boiled egg that's been peeled. Now, the first thing I want to do is make the surface nice and slippery. So I'm going to put the dish soap around the lip. Now, right now, before I've started the experiment, the air pressure that's inside the bottle is the exact same as the air pressure that's outside the bottle. Now, in order to get the egg inside, we need to change the air pressure because this experiment is all about air pressure. So, in order to do that, we need to heat up the air inside to make it expand and release. So, that's where the fire comes in play. You might have your parents do this for you. What I'm gonna do is light this piece of paper on fire, drop it into the bottle, and as this piece of paper is burning, put the egg on top. What I want you guys to do when I do this experiment is make observations. So notice what the egg is doing, notice what's happening inside of the bottle. Are you ready? All right, here we go. Whoa, that was fast. So how did that happen? When you saw before and I put the egg on top, the egg did not fall into the bottle. Well, what did I do? I changed the air pressure inside of the bottle by heating it up. So when you light the fire inside of the bottle, it heats the air up. The air expands when it's heated up, and it escapes out on the corners of the egg. If you watch that in slow motion, you'll probably be able to see the egg vibrate because the air that's expanding is releasing out. Now, as soon as that air is released out, inside of the bottle, the air pressure is decreased. It's a smaller air pressure, lesser air pressure than the air pressure outside. So you have a little bit of air pressure in here and a ton of air pressure out here. And it doesn't like that imbalance. Nature does not like that imbalance. So what it does is equalizes it. By pushing that egg down into the bottle, the air can go back into the bottle and it can normalize that air pressure. Now, in order to get this egg back out, we can also use science. We just have to reverse the science. So we have to make the air pressure inside of the bottle greater than the air pressure outside. So in order to do this, I have to use everything I have in my lungs to try and push as much air as I can into the bottle to increase the air pressure to push the egg back out. Okay, I've done this a couple times. I haven't been able to do it, but maybe I can do it. All right, help me out, guys. Everybody take a really big, deep breath. Whew, okay. I'm very winded and clearly that didn't work, but it is possible. I think you just need a lot bigger lungs than me or better air capacity. So you guys try it at home, have your parents try it, but make sure to be aware that you will get some soap on your mouth and have a really gross, like, charcoaly egg flavor. So if you're into smoked eggs, maybe you'll enjoy it. But I want you guys to try this at home And if you do, post your pictures and your videos to our Facebook page because we love to see you guys doing science experiments at home. All right.